Do you know that public speaking can increase and improve your brand as a person, a speaker, or a business owner? Public speaking works to inform, entertain, or persuade the audience or even your potential clients to buy from you. If the public lacks clarity of what your brand represents, getting customers will not be an easy feat. Therefore, public speaking is vital to promoting any brand. Branding is typically clout. It pulls people to purchase whatever they offer. In the word of James Heaton, branding is the expression of essential truth or value of an organization, product, or service. Communication of characteristics, value, and attributes clarify which particular brand and is not. A brand speaks for itself and must have people who listen. When bringing your message to your audience, confidence in your brand presents you as an expert, make you appear professional in your field. After all, they will only seek an expert. Speaking to the public to advertise your brand also boosts their confidence in your product. When you have your audience's rapt attention, it's an excellent opportunity to showcase your brand. People typically feel a better connection when there's communication between them. Communication builds public trust and pushes them to support and spread the word. When addressing your audience, you must be well prepared. The audience you impress will open doors to more customers. It will help you visualize aids and stories and create memorable speeches. The manner you create yourself and catch your audience's attention will enable them to remember your brand easily. You must ensure you attract many people to advertise to, because the more people you reach, the more your brand visibility. Public speaking gives your brand a personality the public can relate to. Public speaking increases your brand visibility and promotes the public with valuable awareness and information. The importance of public speaking can therefore not be overemphasized, and it gives you a brand, a voice. It will help you improve your public speaking as part of your PR strategy to grow your brand visibility. Therefore, public speaking is an effective way to build long-lasting bonds with customers, and therefore, you must always strive to become a competent and articulate speaker.